Did you know, over the last 9 months, over $30 trillion of market value was wiped. Even traditional safe haven assets like gold is down 12% year to date. Last time we had this big of a drawdown was during 2008 and 2009. But why is this happening? The simple answer, inflation. Because of the pandemic, governments around the world provided stimulus for us to spend, but in reality, we were spending money that we otherwise wouldn't have. That kind of consumption, while it did keep our economies humming, it also created one of the highest inflation rates in the last 10 years. To prevent prices going up uncontrollably, central banks did have to raise rates to slow down our ability to buy things. But slowing down our ability to buy things means that companies will make less profit, which means less money to hire employees, which means less spending by the people. And that's a downward spiral that leads to a recession. At this point, Bank of America is forecasting recession odds to be as high as April 2020. The interesting thing to me is that if history does rhyme, then it's likely that the market is reaching a bottom very soon. What do you think? Subscribe for more videos like these.